Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's Taj and I'm back today with some more free tea. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to go from a state of wanting and needing and into the state of having, or as Neville would call it, into the state of the wish fulfilled. And I'll be talking about how to maintain this state. So if you are interested in this video, then just keep on watching. Now, a lot of people in the manifestation community talk about, oh, just decide that it's yours and it's yours, or just assume that you have it already and you have it. But today I want to give you step by step and also a daily routine on how you can actually shift into this state and maintain this state on an everyday basis so that you can truly manifest the things that you desire and in the quickest time frame possible. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do, obviously, is to think as the version of yourself that already has it. What does this actually look like, though? And for me, it looks like turning my conversations into affirmations. So what are the conversations that I'm having with people in real life, or just with myself in my head, about my desire now that I already have it? So I'm tapping into that version of me that already has it. And so let's just say I'm manifesting multiple things at once, and I'm manifesting just everything. So my desired life, like everything, right? In my conversations in my head, and this goes back to your inner dialogue and your positive self-talk. The inner dialogue that would be going on in my head if I were manifesting, if I already had everything that I wanted, everything that I desired, my conversations would sound a little bit like, wow, I'm just so grateful for the life that I have now. I'm just so blessed to be able to have everything that I've ever desired. My life is literally so good right now. Like, I'm so blessed to have everything that I've always wanted. I couldn't ask for a better life. There's nothing that I want anymore. Like, I lack nothing, whatever, right? The conversation would just go on and on. But the conversation that I would have, or my inner dialogue, would imply that I already have everything that I want. I'm literally living my dreams right now. And so that would be me if I already had all of those things. So I would take those conversations where I already have everything that I want and use those conversations as my everyday affirmations. The next thing you want to do, and this is for people who enjoy visualizing, if you don't enjoy visualizing, or you're not really good at it, or you have whatever going on that you just can't visualize, I'll give you an alternative to this. But you want to visualize and actually see yourself already having the things that you desire, already living that life. What does that look like? And not just visualize it, but I want you to really take time out of your day, whether you set a timer for 10 minutes, 30 minutes, it doesn't matter, but actually sit in that visualization or meditation where you are truly seeing yourself enjoy and experience everything that you want, and really allow yourself to be open to the feelings that come with this visualization. Now, for people that aren't really good at visualizing, or visualization is not your number one go-to technique, you can still do this, but just by using words. So it's kind of similar to the lullaby method, which we'll get into a little bit later as well. But essentially all you're doing is sitting there with a timer, 10, 20, 30 minutes. And the timer is important because you really want to set the intention to go into this reality where you have everything that you want. So not only are you in this meditation, but you are thinking your affirmations. Again, this is for people that are not really too fond of visualizing. Instead of visualizing, you are going to use your words, and you're going to just close your eyes, and you're going to say to yourself, like, wow, I literally have everything that I want. I love the fact that I have this, and I love the fact that I have this, have that, and I'm so blessed to have this, and I'm so blessed to have that. And whatever your conversation would look like, use your words in the place of pictures or visualizations, and allow yourself to be open to receiving any pictures that come to you in this meditation. But also, most importantly, allow yourself to be open to feeling any feelings that come with you just really being intentional about tapping into that reality in which you already have the things that you want. I do this on an everyday, consistent basis. Back to thinking as if for a second. When you are thinking as the version of yourself, obviously this is going to, for most people, this is going to take a little bit of practice. You're going to have to also make sure that you are revising on the spot. What I mean by that is revising or replacing any limiting beliefs with a belief or with a thought or with an assumption that serves you. So for an example, if you find yourself saying like, oh, it's so hard to earn money, or money is so hard to earn, You're going to stop yourself in those tracks and revise that statement to a statement that better suits you. Actually, money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Actually, I'm a money magnet. Actually, I have all the money. I have so much money that I can't even spend in this lifetime, so forth and so on. You want to make sure that you are revising on the spot and then keep going. Continue thinking as the version of yourself that already has it as your day continues. The next thing you want to do that I would encourage you to do is to express gratitude. Now, obviously, you can do this while you're affirming, while you're thinking as if, while you are visualizing and things of that nature, but also make it a point every day to express gratitude. Again, because for myself personally, when I think about the version of myself that has everything that she desires, literally life is perfect, life is good, I couldn't ask for a better life. That version of me is very, very, very grateful. She is just expressing so much gratitude for all the things that she has in her life on a consistent basis, because she's just so thankful. Like, wow, I'm so blessed. I have all of these things in my life. I have everything on my list of manifestations. I've literally manifested my entire list of manifestations. I have it all. And so that version of me is very grateful. And also by tapping into the vibration and the state of gratitude, you are also implying to your subconscious mind that you already have these things because you are expressing gratitude for it, right? So gratitude is going to help you solidify and anchor yourself into the state of already having it on a consistent basis. This is just training and reprogramming the brain as you go. All of these things, actually, the thinking as if, the visualizing, the meditating and saying your affirmations in your head or out loud, however you choose to do it, and then expressing your gratitude on an everyday consistent basis and being intentional about the gratitude that you express every day. This is what it's going to look like, and this is what your everyday thought processes shall look like every day, all day, on a consistent basis, if you already have the things that you want, and also to shift you to this state of already having everything that you desire. And then as far as your daily ritual or your daily routine, every single morning, you want to wake up. As soon as you wake up, as soon as your eyes open, when you're still in that theta brainwave state, you want to go into either your visualization, if you're a person who visualizes, or B, if you're more of a person like me who just likes to think their affirmations, you want to go into thinking your affirmations, and or you can go strictly into your gratitude affirmations or expressing gratitude and being thankful for having all of the desires that you currently have. You want to do this every single morning. Like, it is so important to do a routine every single day, because having a routine also allows you to exercise that manifestation muscle, strengthen that neural connection that you are establishing in your brain, and really just get your logical mind and your subconscious mind on the same page, therefore manifesting all of your desires that much faster. Okay, so every single morning you want to, as soon as you open your eyes, it doesn't have to be long, it can be for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, however time you think that you need. Just make sure that you are consistent doing this every single morning. Now, midday, you want to take some time, again, as I stated earlier, 5 minutes, again, 10 minutes, it doesn't matter. You want to take the time out to set a timer where you are either focused affirming or focused visualizing, and allowing yourself to really be open to receiving or experiencing any feelings that come with your visualizations or your affirmations that all imply that you already have the things that you desire. All right, so your morning, your midday, and then every single night before you go to bed, you want to repeat what you did that morning. So every single night as you're going to bed, Neville would call this SATs, but with this SATs at night, you actually get to fall asleep in it. I know, the typical definition of SATs is that you were just getting yourself into a drowsy state without falling asleep. But because this is at night, you can actually just allow yourself to doze off into it. But as you are on your way to sleep, you want to utilize, once again, that theta brainwave state, and either one, visualize yourself already having the things that you want. And you can pick a scene, just one scene, and visualize this scene over and over and over again. Or you can do what Neville likes to call the lullaby method, which again is just you thinking your affirmations, or one affirmation that implies that you already have what you want, on a loop until you fall asleep. So you want to do this every single night, every single night. So this is going to be your daily routine every single day that will keep you grounded and anchored to the state of the wish fulfilled and in a state of already having everything that you desire. So I really hope this video was helpful. Let me know down below. I know for me, I need things spelled out for me. And so I'm just here to kind of spell it out for you. If anybody else out there is like me, who is like, okay, but what is that going to look like? And I know that this is not anything new. You guys, I'm sure have heard this before, but sometimes you just need a little bit of a reminder of what your day should look like as you are embodying the state of the wish fulfilled. So thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to join my membership, there will be a link in the description box. We will also be doing a challenge for the month of December called the Live in the End Challenge. I'll go more into details on that in the membership in an upcoming video. Also, I am doing a $100 giveaway for Christmas for everyone who is a part of the community. So that link will be down in the description box. And if you would like one-on-one coaching with me, those links to my website will also be down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Sending nothing but peace, love, and blessings. Happy manifesting.